So now I'm going to show you how to put a reel together. Okay, I'll show you what I did first and then I'll show you how to put it together. Look here. Um, Let me play it for you to hear. It's a simple one. Very, very, very simple. So simple. Very simple. Everybody can do it, and I know you can do it too. Okay, you see here, this here, I put this here. I went into here and look for a heart GIF. You don't have to put a GIF. Put something that you don't have to put a heart. I mean, look for something that you like. For instance, if you're creating products with your images, or you want to showcase your images, whatever you want to create a reel about. For instance, you have a product created, let's say notebooks and t-shirts and everything that you created. You make videos of them on your phone, and then when you make them on your phone, you can come in here and do this too. Okay, here I look for hard GIF. You can look for something else, and then you put it on the first page. Okay, and then I put it on the first page, and I duplicate the pages and I put them, and then you see here, animate 2 seconds per video, per image or video, what you will have. And I did that, and I have 6 or 10 videos. You can put a start, like an intro of what you're going to talk about, like what images you're going to show, or what products that you create that you want to sell that you're going to show. You can put something in the intro, and then put something in the back. If you want to you can put your business information, or you can, or even in between, put your business information, like make it like a small show, like a small TV show, a small show where you want to give information out, or you can show your own face and say something and all that. But I'm going to show you how I did this and how I put it together. Is the easiest thing, especially if you have the images already in Canva. It's easy to do. If you have it on your phone, I have them on your phone, you can even open it in your phone and put them here. Okay, let's get started. Go to Canva home, okay, and you put here reels. Look for reels, and then you choose Instagram reels, okay. And then these are templates, but there are paid ones and free ones. If you have Canva Pro, you can use anything, but if you don't have Canva Pro, you can use the free ones. This one is free, okay. This one right here, yeah, let's use it. I'm gonna click on it and say we're gonna customize it, okay. And then we have it in the, like in the phone, like the vertical of size of the phone. And then I'm going to delete it. I'm just, oh, come on now. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete it. Okay, here it shows 5 seconds. If you have video that are long 5 seconds to put inside, you can do that. But if you have pictures, like you want to showcase your items, you can turn it to 2 seconds. And I don't know how many videos you want to put. You can go and add the pages. Let's say you want to add 10. Okay. I don't know how many I have. I have 8. Okay, you see it here. Okay, now I will go in the time, and I will edit the time. I want it 2 seconds per image. Okay, 2 seconds. And then I'll say I apply it to all 10 pages, and everything will become 2 down here. Okay, is this the first one? Yeah, the first one. Oh, let me delete this too. Okay, the first one, I'll go here in elements, like I showed you what I did, and I look for, let's say, um lips. I'm just putting something, lips GIF. Let's see if we can find some lips GIFs. Oh no, I don't see any. Okay, look, there's a lip here. Yeah. Okay, let me take this out. I'm going to put this one, for instance. I'm just going to put something together, but you get the idea. Okay, This is my lip gifs and stuff. And if you want to, you can add a text on it too, like some text. Let's see here. Let's say love. Okay, love. And then let me see here. And then we put it in a font that we love, like a cursive font. Let me see with buffalo. Okay, like this. And then I'll make it red. We're just making something here. And then you don't have to do it this complicated, but love. Okay, this is my first page. And now in a second, I'll go to the second right here. I'm going to add my images. So if you are going to put your image, you can add your images in here. If it's your product, you can put your product. You see my image. I'm going to the second. Let's say I'll add this one, my second image. It's up to you what you want to showcase. Like I said before. Let's see. Oh no. You see, I'm so wrong. I need to go here. No, not like that. Yeah. Stand in here. I'll put this here. And then I'll make it. It's too, if you don't like it like it is, like just drag it. Okay, let me close it. This. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's say I want her here. Oh no. I need to go. Oh, let me put her here. And then I will make her bigger. I'll come in here. I'll grab something else. Let's say we grab her. I hope that she doesn't get cut off too much. Okay, and I'll come to the next one. You get the idea. You just put your product in. This one here. And then set it out. Let's go down here. We had these people already. We had these already. Okay. Okay, we got some guys too. Let me see what we can get. Oh, she's nice. Let's put her too. Almost everybody has a hoodie on. No, I didn't ask for that. Set the image background. Okay, and then let's say we you see it came back to 5. Just go here and drag it to 2. Okay, it should be 2. And then yeah, 2. And then you can add something here if it's about your business. Like text about your business. I don't know what you're gonna add. You can say feeling cute. Something about your business. Just write it down. I'm going to put this for the sake of the video. Okay, and let's say I want to put a background for it. Let's see, background. You get the idea, okay? And let's say we want to animate this one too. Okay, animate it. It will come out like this. And the second part. Okay. Okay. Now we are done. Let's do the whole video. Okay. If you're happy with it, you can download it on here. You come here, you click on download, and keep it on MP4, and you want all the pages, and then you can download it. Okay. You can download it as a whole, or you can download it as separate files. But you have to have Canva Pro. I suggest download it as a whole. Download it right into your computer or into your phone, and then you can post it online. Okay. As for the 40 free Etsy listing, I will have them available to you. Thank you so much for taking this class, and I hope you will go into Canva and Canva Pro and create images for your business. Thank you so much.